Hey guys, now a lot of people are perhaps not aware, because people are fighting over toilet paper when there are alternatives, and alternatives such as handheld bidets. Now, if you don't know what a bidet is, it's basically what they use in European countries to do your business, clean up after you've done number twos, and well, without using toilet paper. Basically, there's a flush of you get, your backside gets cleaned by a like a flush of water. Okay, it's very clean, and it's you save money, guys. That's a good thing. So I will leave a link. I'll go through some of the products that you can. If you click on my links below, and you can trundle off and get these to your house without going out and fighting at the supermarkets for toilet paper. Now these are what I think, very, very well priced from what I can see. Eco-friendly as well. Toilet paper can leave you feeling unclean. Luxe Bidet Premium Bidet attachments gently cleanse your skin, leaving you feeling refreshed, confident, and ready to conquer the day. Preserve forests and water reserves. In 2008, Americans alone used 46.2 billions of rolls of toilet paper. Well, probably more now. Switching to bidets could save over 15 million trees and 473 billion of gallons of water. And look at this, guys. Fun fact, Americans spend a total of 6 billion annually on toilet paper. If you get a mechanical bidet attachment, it costs roughly 12 cents a day or $45 a year. Now, I don't know about you guys. I'm in New Zealand here, but toilet rolls here. Okay, what? You'd be lucky to get, pay $5 for 12 maybe, and those 12 are going to last you if you've got a family. How long are 12 going to last you guys? 2 weeks. So if you do the maths, you'll see that, you'll be saving money by getting a bidet. So let's have a look through these. Now, so you see this one here. There's the Neo series. You've got the Luxe set. You could, switch it to the requirements that you want there. Same with that. They're all easy to install. Two-piece. So you've got these different ones you can choose from. Now let's go down. You can get hot water bidets as well, but they will require a durable polyurethane. But that there, what do you got? Polyurethane. That's a couple more bucks, guys. #1 bestseller on Amazon. Let's have a look. Closer look at some of these. You can get handheld bidets as well, but these you don't. They're set on your toilet. Okay, so you don't have to worry. Just press a button, and the business will be done. Okay, so now look at these prices, guys. I mean, come on. Eh? You can get a bidet put on your toilet for, where did that price go? $59. Self-cleaning freshwater posterior wash. Okay, now this one here, it's $90, and it includes a feminine wash. Okay, so I'd say most households would probably do want this one as well, because it covers males and females. So there you go. $90. cheap as chips, if you ask me. So let's have a look at some best sellers here. Let's have a look. You know, I know it's terrible. Obviously, it's terrible that people are getting sick and dying from this coronavirus. But you know, who would have thought to even look at something like a bidet? Okay, so the $59 one, like I thought, the you know, if you want to save a bit of money, and if you've got a ensuite, you could have, you know, put the one with the feminine and posterior wash. You know, you could put that one, say, where the most people are in your family, and maybe put the cheaper one upstairs. You know, where maybe only, say, the guys are, or something like that. Whatever. So you've got the options, but those are the two. I would get that one to cover all the bases, and okay, you can even get electronic bidets, bidet attachments, which is those. They're easy to attach, easy to install, guys. So don't worry about that. Let's have a look at the handheld bidets. I would go for these, you know, ones that are actually in the toilet seats. But let's have a look at the price. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. You joking me? So you can get these handheld bidets, which I would say, you know, would be good for male and female. Obviously, you know, could be require some finesse. But there you go, if you want a handheld bidet. Okay, so $20 for a handheld bidet, and that takes fresh water, chrome plated gold, takes care of all your like $20. And how long is that going to last you compared to with, you know, to toilet paper, guys? $20 for a handheld bidet, my god. Okay, let's have a look at the electronic bidets. Yeah, like I was saying, the, you know, coronavirus is terrible, but you know, but who would have thought about getting a bidet before the coronavirus? Not many people. Okay, what have we got here? Easy access, control panel, temperature control, adjustable spray positioning. You know, if you really, you know, want to go remote control and all this, heated toilet seat, guys. You know, if you really want to go all out, or all into the long drop there. So, you know, LED night light. So, you know, if instead of floundering around for a light, you just head over straight for that. So these are the luxury ones, guys. Temperature control, warm air dryer even, guys, heated toilet seat. So these are the luxury items, and I would say they'd be pretty popular too. You know, if you can, and if you if you can afford these, I would definitely go for these as well. You know, why not? You know, if you're going to be stuck inside for a while, why not? You know, enjoy yourself. Well, I don't know about you guys, but I would say most families would spend at least $250, $300 on toilet paper per year. And how many years are these things going to last? More than 1 year, I would say. So there you go. I've briefly run through them. Like I say, I'll leave the links down below for these. And yes, I would definitely get one of these. So you got, once again, you got the best sellers, which depending on your circumstances, of course. You got the best sellers, which are these. Now, obviously, what would happen here is that these would work just like, flushing the toilet, except you get flushed, if you know what I mean. You get cleaned. So there's probably two buttons, one to flush the toilet and one to, flush you. And look at, very reasonable prices. We've got the bidet attachment, we've got the handheld bidets. Seems like they've only got one at the moment, and it's $20, guys. I mean, come on, that's the price of a couple of toilet rolls. And then if you want to go, if you really want to go luxurious, because who knows how long we're going to be stuck inside. You can have the one with the night light, the heated toilet seat, the warm air dryer. That's pretty amazing, guys. That's pretty amazing. Adjustable spray positioning, easy access control panel, remote control panel. So those are the luxury ones. And did we look at the accessories? I don't know if the accessories are going to be something that you'll be looking at. Oh, it's just those bits and pieces. Okay, so I think I'll leave it there, guys. And like I say, I'll leave the links below. But why go out and fight to get your toilet paper? Just click on one of the links below and get your bidet come to you. Set it up, easy install. There was somewhere, that's what I haven't showed you, is the installing. I'll see if I can find it and just show you that it's an easy install. Okay. Somewhere here that said easy install. Yeah, I can't find it at the moment. Let's have a look. Hand bidet attachments, top sellers. Let's have a look. Might be on the... Hold on. Anyway, I did see that you also get towels. These people always also sell towels. Nice towels. The towels are good on the Brahma too, because I think you got the organic bamboo washcloths, and you've got the cotton hand towels. Okay. And there you go, some hypoallergenic, odor resistant, and antibacterial. So there you go. Now installation guides. Let's have a look. Quick look at that, because I know this is turning into quite a... So, installing bidet attachments. So, it's all there, and instructions are available in PDF format, some cases video format. Handheld bidets, so your bidet attachment, electronic bidets, install. So the Neo one, which I think we looked at, look at that, guys. I better not show too much of it because it could be copyrighted. But they've got a video of how you install that. Is that the handheld one? You will need a towel and a wrench. That's to install it. Okay. Okay, I think I'll leave it there. Let's see. Let's get rid of this. No, 70 bidet attachments. Installing bidet attachments. So they tell you how here, and it is easy, like I say, to install them. If you go to the home page. I'll leave the links below, and it'll tell you on the home page that that's easy install. So there you go, guys. Like I say, I hope you found this helpful in these particular times that we're in. This hopefully saves you guys some money as well, and saves you having to learn wrestling or judo lessons just so you can go and get your toilet paper. Anyway, there you go.